All right, we're at the Oslo Central Station, and we have some Myhre elevators here. Myhre. It's probably for carts, so if you accidentally push it forward here, it just guides it out the door instead of hitting that. Sounds like a fire alarm. Hydro.
Andre etasje.
These are hydro. The upper level of the mall, or not the mall, the train station. Certainly feels like a mall though. These honestly look different from your basic typical Schaefer buttons. Like, look. The halo's a little bigger, they push a little different. Either they're a newer or a different kind of Schaefer, they're not Schaefer. Because that isn't typical.
Etasje.
Yeah, I don't know what these are. But that's interesting. Actually, we'll end it on the first floor, because I think I'm going to go see if... No, that is Schaefer, I'm pretty sure. Odd.
Første etasje.
Anyway, that is going to be it. Close. And there's the other one. That's all.